What's up everybody, Derek here and Ashley. We are down here at the river. If you see that back in there, it looks awesome. So it's just one of those relaxing days where we're going down to the river to catch some fish on these right here. We got some Beetle spins tied on right now, so we are gonna go see if we can catch some Guadalupe bass, some largemouth, panfish, just whatever ends up biting. So let's get to fishing. All right, we hit this little spot, so we're gonna start fishing down through this little current section where there's a little bitty holes. Already got a fish right there. Yep. First cast. Little bass. Yeah, the fish are nailing it. Got one. Yeah. Got one. That's three. Yeah, good little one.
Get one?
Got one.
Serious?
Right off that tree. Yeah, pretty one. Right there.
Yep.
Oh, I had one. There's one.
Serious? Damn.
You want to trade poles?
No, it's not the pole, it's me.
Might be lighter line.
I feel like
Little bass. Oh, got one.
Are you freaking kidding?
They're up against the shoreline or the bank. Not a bad looking little green sunfish, looks like. Oh yeah, got a good one. Or at least a good fighter. I don't know what's happening. I'm just tossing it out there and yep. Okay. Cast right out there in that current. Let it drop for a second and then start reeling.
Got all the little minnows.
There's minnows everywhere. Perfect. Let it drop and then start reeling. Pure rod tip down. There you go.
So how come there was one where you told me to keep it up?
Just get it. Watch the spinner.
Look at all of
Yeah.
Get it.
Watch the spinner where it's just spinning. That's the speed you want to be at.
Are you waiting to throw out because you know you're going to catch one?
Maybe, maybe not. You got one. Came and slammed it. There you go.
Pretty. Finally, those have spikes.
You don't like those?
I don't like that.
Oh, he ate that thing too.
I guess the whole time it's been
Oh.
speed.
Oh, bud.
Oh, get in, hot potato.
There you go.
Quick. All right, 7 and 1.
7 to 1.
7 to 1.
All right, you ready for 8-1? Let's see it. I'll give you one more cast.
That's not where I meant to throw.
You're doing that backhand cast. That's for if you're like gonna get into trees.
Well, I'm trying not to hit you.
No, cast that thing out there.
Look at the little ones following. They're ambitious.
Cast it all the way to like you're gonna hit those rocks. Yeah. There it is. Yeah, right there. There you go. Look at that.
Oh, he's a spiky one.
Can you get it, or do you want me to get it? There you do.
Oh, he's got a big of a hole in his mouth.
He'll be all right.
Nope.
It's a pretty one.
Hello.
Yep. Oh, that's a good one. That's a red breast.
Wow. That's all you.
That's all me.
Yeah. Why is it called like a...
Ah!
See? The spike. I'm sorry, I shouldn't let it go.
You dropped the line. The hook's what got me.
Oh, the hook got you? He's peeing!
He peed on
me! No! Hey, stop it! Stop. He peed on me.
I'm sorry.
I've never had fish pee. Ew, he's pooping! He's peeing and he's pooping. They do that out of the same hole. I just got peed on.
I'm sorry. I seen it. It already dried out on your shorts. Thanks, buddy.
No, not thank you. No.
No, bad fish.
Thank
Bad fish. There you go.
Got something.
You got one on the drop. Nice. That panfish looks like it's right there. Oh, look at the colors on that
You
one.
can just get him off too.
Okay. Let me make sure he's gonna...
No, don't aim him at me. I think when you squeeze him, he's gotta go.
He got excited. He seen you.
I
All right. Thanks, buddy. Here, I'll make it. Got one.
Are you freaking kidding me? 9-3.
You're the one in competition.
I should stop keeping count.
I know, right? Look at that one. That's a pretty good one.
He's pretty. Does he need a pee? No.
I don't know. Should we check?
They go off so fast. Oh, I had one.
Got one.
Are you kidding me right now?
Oh, it's a good one too. Is this a cichlid? Yeah.
Big one.
It's a cichlid.
Looks like he's got tattoos. Got one.
Oh, you got one?
I probably got a stick.
Yeah, let me go get you done back there. But oh man, these are so slippery.
Oh, gross. Oh, he's upside down.
Come on, get back in there, buddy.
It's gonna be a fish fry if you don't.
There you go.
I love that. Got one.
You got him?
Got a good one.
Nice. Oh, I got one following. Oh, he didn't want it.
Man.
Oh, you got your little fighter. It's crazy how good these fight.
Oh, is that a red breast again?
That's a red breast. See how he's got that orange on him on his belly?
Yeah, I just don't get why he's
And
on
then-
the orange one.
I didn't call
Gonna
him.
unhook himself. Look at that. He's barely on.
Oh, barely. But see how they got that little ear?
Yeah.
So you look at that little ear and look at their belly, and that's how you know.
Oh, they're pretty. 9 and 5. Can't remember. Did I catch another one? 9 and 4.
Got one. Little bitty. Double up, double up, double up. I'm going to be slow taking him off.
Oh, come on.
Double up, double up.
No pressure.
No pressure. It's a good one. And a little bitty pretty one, I guess. Not,
I like
yeah,
the little one.
little one. They're all fun to catch. Try tossing over there in that little pool. See that? Well,
Further.
almost got in there. Got one. Little bass. He's a jumper. He's a jumper. Little Guadalupe.
Alright, I'll take your word for it. See if I can get back there.
Almost. Nice little bass.
I feel like these fish
one.
Again? It's like 4 in the same spot.
I told you to cast over there.
Yeah, but I'm not going far.
Oh, look at this one.
Oh, what is that?
That's a Guadalupe bass.
That's pretty. What makes? Oh,
See how they got the crazy colorations on them?
is that what makes it a Guadalupe bass?
Well, no, they've got a little rough patch on their tongue that tells you that they're a Guadalupe bass. But these are some hard fighting little fish. Thanks, bud. Got one. Oh, it's a good one too. It's a good one. It was down there under that current. Red breast. A lot of times you can slow it down when you're in the current because that current's pushing against those blades. So you don't have to reel it in as fast. Oh, let go of it, buddy. So you can almost leave it sitting there in one spot. Yep. Oh, thank you, bud.
I think I got one.
You got one?
I got one. Whoa, it's a good one too.
Oh, it's a bass.
It was a fish on a fish.
No, it was a bass chasing it.
So the bass was trying to eat it?
The bass was trying to eat that one.
Eat the fish?
Yeah.
That would have been.
What if? Oh,
That would have been a finale for sure.
that's cool. That's how you fish with those big swim baits, and you catch bass on them.
So next time we catch one of these, can we just let it swim around until we catch bigger?
Yeah. Or we could go fishing with these and catch big bass. I know a spot.
Like now?
I know a spot. I know a spot.
Like now?
No, we'd have to pack up and leave. But you want to kiss
We
him,
have to catch more.
or maybe let him pee on you?
No.
All right, we tore them up. We caught tons of fish in little holes like this, and she caught the last panfish, and a bass decided to eat it, which is pretty cool. It happened right behind us, but it was not bad. She started coming back. She was the one taking count. I wasn't taking account of how many we were catching, but I guess I won. I don't even what. I have no
10
idea.
to 4.
10 to 4 is what she came up with, but.
I lost.
Anyways, we love coming out here for these little relaxing trips and seeing what we catch on Beetle spins. But thanks for watching, you guys, and subscribe if you haven't already. Like this video if you liked it, and we'll see you guys in the next one.